This is GalaxyBuds Plus, Samsung's second generation GalaxyBuds. Compared to the older buds, it has 2 speakers, 3 instead of 2 mics, better ambient sound, 11-hour battery life, and it costs only $149. So I guess the question is it any good? GalaxyBuds Plus comes in this box. Inside the box we're greeted with a USB-C cable, extra ear tips and wingtips, and the Buds Plus in its wirelessly chargeable case. Now, it's time for ASMR. Or, never mind. The charging case for Buds Plus is the same as the previous one, which means you can charge them in whatever case you like. The only difference is Buds Plus's case is built much better. Inside the case we see that the LED is moved and the left-right indicator is different. Even though there are major differences on the inside, Buds and Buds Plus look identical. However, a pair of Buds Plus is 2 grams heavier than Buds or AirPods Pro. Pairing is extremely simple, yet extremely familiar. You open the GalaxyBuds Plus's case next to your phone and a window pops up from the bottom, just like an iPhone with extremely similar animations of the headphones. It must be impossible to come up with another user interface for pairing. After a quick update, I was ready to enjoy my Buds Plus. With GalaxyBuds Plus, Samsung actually fixed everything that was wrong with GalaxyBuds. With GalaxyBuds, you had to go into your settings, turn Dolby on, and then tweak the EQ, and then go back to GalaxyBuds app, tweak another EQ just to get a decent sound. But with GalaxyBuds Plus, right out of its box, they sound really good. The 2-speaker system makes a huge difference. The lows are good, the mids are good, the highs are good, everything is good. So what's left for you to do using these features like equalizer, Dolby and others is to tweak it to your liking. And that's how it should have been in the first place. Now it is time to bring out the equipment and begin our tests. First, and most importantly, let's begin with the sound quality. As you can hear and see here, GalaxyBuds Plus is so much better than GalaxyBuds. It is fuller, louder and crispier compared to the first generation. It is not as loud and as powerful as AirPods Pro, but honestly, considering the price difference, it is absolutely not a big deal. I personally never have to turn the volume up to 100 with any of these headphones, so I'm guessing the loudness will not be an issue for most of you as well. Now let's take a look at the full sweep and pause around 50 Hz and compare GalaxyBuds Plus to Buds. As you can see on the EQ, thanks to Buds Plus's 2-way speaker system, the low frequencies are a lot stronger. Still not as strong as AirPods Pro, but it is a significant difference. With GalaxyBuds Plus, the build quality is much better compared to GalaxyBuds as well. GalaxyBuds didn't sound that high quality, but with GalaxyBuds Plus, listen to that. All that jiggling is gone. This is me talking directly into GalaxyBuds using Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. This is me using GalaxyBuds Plus on Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Plus on Plus. And this is me using AirPods Pro on Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Buds Plus's mic quality is a little better than Buds when it comes to phone calls, much better when it comes to ambient sound or transparency mode. However, it is still far behind AirPods Pro. And that distortion is not a good sign either. The ambient sound or transparency is much better than GalaxyBuds, but still I think it's because of the design is not as good as AirPods Pro. With AirPods Pro, as soon as you turn on the transparency mode, it feels like the headphones disappear. With this, it feels like someone turned on the mic and you hear yourself a lot higher than you normally do, and you hear different frequencies a lot stronger, a lot louder than you usually do. So it is still not that transparent, but it is much better compared to GalaxyBuds. GalaxyBuds has 430 millisecond latency, which is pretty significant delay if you're planning on gaming. On the other hand, GalaxyBuds Plus averages around 330 milliseconds, which is pretty good. But when you turn on the gaming mode, Buds Plus's latency drops to 230 milliseconds, which is better than AirPods Pro's 250 millisecond average. Connection times fluctuate a lot, but on average GalaxyBuds takes almost 3.5 seconds to connect. AirPods Pro takes 2.7 seconds, and GalaxyBuds Plus takes 2.04 seconds, which is another great improvement. Also on Buds Plus, now you can see how much battery is left in the charging case and the battery levels displayed in exact numbers instead of 5% increments. But when you take Buds off of the case, the battery level of the case disappears and there is no icon to indicate when the case or the Buds are charging. When it comes to battery life, after 5 hours and 15 minutes of usage, Buds Plus had 64%, Buds had 55% battery remaining. If you want to switch between devices, what you can do is you can put these in, hold down the buttons on each GalaxyBuds Plus, and then you can connect to another device, which is a great feature. However, when you take one of them off, it still doesn't pause the music. With AirPods Pro, it pauses the music when you take one of them off. It doesn't do that with GalaxyBuds Plus or with GalaxyBuds. I think it's time we have that feature on these devices. Also, I think because of the design, you still sometimes touch the buttons when you don't want to touch them. And because they're in-ear, even though they're better than Powerbeats Pro, they're still not comfortable to lay on. You still cannot summon the assistant using the trigger word. With AirPods and AirPods Pro, you can, which is something I wish these headphones have. Also with AirPods and AirPods Pro, when you receive a message and it reads you the message, you can simply say reply and reply to that text or whatever you received. With these, you cannot do that either. That's a really good feature, and I hope these GalaxyBuds get that feature as well. When you wear just one AirPod, the audio becomes mono. Watch this demonstration. This track has one note playing on left and one note playing on the right channel. When I have only one AirPod out, you hear both notes coming through one headphone. But when both of them are out, everything goes back to stereo. This is a very useful feature. First generation GalaxyBuds has this feature as well, but for some reason they removed this from GalaxyBuds Plus. In the end, I wish this was the first generation Galaxy Buds, and today I was reviewing Galaxy Buds Pro with active noise cancellation and other really good features. Because if you're after the best audio quality, you probably can find a deal and get Powerbeats Pro or similar headphones instead. Or if you like to enter the magical world of active noise cancellation and the freedom of transparency mode, you probably will not be sorry for spending the extra cash for AirPods Pro, because AirPods Pro is at another level. Don't get me wrong, Galaxy Buds Plus are not bad, they're incomparably better than Buds, and you definitely won't be sorry if you buy one, because Buds Plus are really good. But the thing is, in today's world, I'm not sure if good is good enough anymore.